Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Wednesday, April 26th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day here. Starting off the day actually on a little bit of a positive note. So snow moving through North Dakota, spring wheat planting behind pace, and with this snow might be a little bit before you get the wheels turning once again through North Dakota. So it started off with Minneapolis wheat catching a bid, pulled the rest of the wheat up, and also pulled up corn with it. The forecast looks for 2 to 12 inches of rain for the next 7 days through the Corn Belt. Heaviest areas, Missouri, Arkansas, but Illinois, one of those big areas that's supposed to get 7 inches as well. So big rain totals coming through. And so it was friendly overall. Corn up about a penny, wheat market up about 5 to 6 cents. And then beans were kind of about 2 to 3 cents lower. And then about noon, a leak came out of the White House that the Trump administration was looking at signing an executive order to pull out of NAFTA. So this was one of the things he harped on the most through the trail, was saying that he wanted to renegotiate NAFTA. It was on his plan to do within the first 100 days. We hadn't heard a lot about it. A couple days ago, then you saw him put the tariff on Canada lumber. And that was coming off of some saying that trade wasn't really fair with the lumber, with the milk. And now it comes out, it's leaking out that he wants to sign that order. And what it would do is just force renegotiation of NAFTA right away. And it could also let us remove ourselves from NAFTA. And Mexico is our #1 corn buyer in the US. And so really just that news kind of shocked the market, scared some longs out of the market. Corn went from a penny higher to 6 cents lower on the day, and beans dropped 8 to 9 cents lower. So that's where you kind of saw that shake up midday. Whether or not that's actually true, it was just a leak out of the White House. We'll have to wait and see. But it was enough to kind of get the market moving a little bit. So the next 2 days will be a big one. Trading end of the month coming up soon. Also just seeing that shake up with the NAFTA, and then also weather forecast. So we should see some choppy trade moving forward. Meat markets really took off once corn broke. So they were up higher majority of the day as far as cattle goes, about $1 higher. And then once you saw corn really break, feeders actually went limit higher, lean, and then live cattle up about 275, so almost limit higher, lean hogs slightly lower. And so you also had online auction of 126 live, so that gives us a little indication of where we'll see trade going from there. Outside markets actually took a little bit of a breather today. So Dow market was up about 500 points over the last couple days, and was relatively quiet majority of the day, anywhere from steady to up 30 points. Crude market traded both sides as well. US dollar up about 33 points. So moving forward, there's going to be a lot of information that could move these markets. Like I said, you think you kind of have the set of news, the weather that's driving the grains, and then you have kind of an outside factor like negotiation of NAFTA that throws a wrench in these grain prices. So we'll have to watch over the next couple days of what's to come. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.